Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another third quarter design team layout. We're going to go ahead and use the Fallen Leaves collection, and this came out, excuse me, in March. So head over and pick that up. I want to create like a rosette, so we're going to use these two photos here. That's my hubs and his brother and his brother's two children. And then they're making pizzas. So I need something. I wonder if there's one like that. Hold on. Let's just take a little oh, well, see. Oh. Actually, that is probably what we're going to go with. And then we're going to make so we can mat the photos with that. Let's pop. Oh, hello. I've got scraps among scraps among scraps. So I think we need to bring in that one. That one will be fun. I gotta see if there's another brown, which I thought there was, because I want like 1, 2, I need 5. Do we like that, or are we thinking? I think I like that. We'll take this one out. Okay. So I'm gonna make the rosettes, and I always have to think about it first, right? Because we're gonna make different sizes, and you want to have 2 equal strips. So if we're gonna make one that's 4 inch, we're gonna cut 4 inches and 4 inches, and then we're gonna do the foldy and together. So then you go on every half or every quarter of an inch. So we're gonna go ahead and trim these down, mat those. I'm going to trim the branding strip off of that. This I don't need, but this is kind of like a stash buster layout, right? So we're just going to come in and trim these down so that we can put them let's go in a little bit more. I'm just trying to get a feel. All right, so that is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. So let's do 3 1/4. That did not cut well, but that's all right. By 4 1/2 on both of those. So I do hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I have the whole weekend off, and it's my best friend's parents' 50th wedding anniversary. So we will be wedding anniversary partying up, right? So then I just use my trimmer and I line it up. First I make sure that we're straight. We are straight, which is kind of amazing. And then there's just a little line that I go, this paper is so thick. You guys heard how that cut through it. It's like the thickest. it's cardstock weight paper. That I did not get even, so we're just going to trim her down just a little bit more. There we go. Okay. I am making a meal of this, aren't I? So you guys, I do the Hobonichi planner, and this is just me talking when I'm doing this. And I've got the Avec, which is the 2-part. I can't find the other one. I can't find July. So it's going to be my challenge for the rest of this weekend, is to find where I safely put that. All right, so we've got those done. Let's bring in the big trimmer. And we're just going to make that 12. And then, let's see. So let's have, we're going to do 1 4. I think we're going to do this, and then we'll do the rest 2s. So we'll do, let's go this way. So we're going to go 4. And then 4. Then we're going to go, we're just going to do 2 by 2s. All right, so that is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to get that started, and I'll be right back. All right, we've got our rosettes made. And we are going, actually, I was trying to get a feel for some stuff. I'm going to put different center pieces in. But I just kind of wanted, let's see if we put that there, then we, and just kind of cascade them down. So what if we move I want it coming down that way, because I really kind of think that that's, I need this. There we go. I need them to be separated a bit. I'm just trying to figure out where what do we think of something like that? We do. Or do we want to come up? Can stick that there. We want to end with this one here. And how do we kind of make it all? Really, I don't know. I'm just kind of can I have them in the middle? I'm not real sure. What do you guys think? Actually, that's not too bad, because then we can stick this photo, can go here, and moving those up so that this one can come down here. Do we want to? I actually like that. I don't like the way that those are. I don't want to cover Doug up. Okay. Maybe put this one there. Let's rotate that way and kind of piece. There we go. All right. We must glue down. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue to glue down all of those items. That took a really long time to get there. So let's just get this stuck there. And then we kind of know that we're going to do that. I'm going to use my hot glue gun. Get those glued down and let it cool for a minute. And then we will come back and embellish. So give me just a second. All right, so I've got everything on. I have stuck these two little die cuts because I didn't like the way that those circles were looking, but I'm okay with these. We've got some pieces popped out over here. I took a drink of soda pop. We're gonna tuck this guy right here. I'm gonna fussy cut that one out. I just think it's cute. Yes, this is a very fall vibe, but you know, we can pretend these photos were taken in fall. Totally fine. I've got the leaves popped because I would actually like to just kind of stick them around as added embellishments. We're just gonna start tucking these fun little leaves. And I'm using liquid glue so that I can just get them, you know, popped. Put that one right there. So we got a couple little leaves going there. And then let's grab these little guys and kind of get them stuck around here. And this was a good one because it's got the bread and all the fun stuff going on down here, and they're making pizza. All right. Whoa, I just shot that guy across the alley. Let me get a few of these pieces. There we go. Oh, that actually kind of looks cute. All right. Let's kind of come in with a few of those pieces. Down here as well. Just beefing everything right up. And then let's see what other kind of little trinky trinks we can get. Let's go over that. All right. So we got those in there. I have been loving using my gears. Where are they at? Here they are. With these collections, it's just really vibing the mood that we've got going on. I'm gonna have to get some more. And this is not a layout that you want to really heavy embellish because there's all these added layers, but the rosettes there, they really add a lot, right? So they're kind of cool, fun. Start tucking a few of these guys in. Let's get one right here. Alright, let's add one little bitty guy right there. And what if we're going to add some of these little Jimmy Gems in here. And I think that's going to do it for today's layout, you guys. So, you've seen me do this before. I just come in and I'm going to add a drop, 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 drop. Then we're going to come over here, do a little drop, 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 and then we'll go here as well. And then I will just finish those up by adding some of these half pearls in there. You guys will see that in the up close at the ends. I do want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Do not forget to check out Third Quarter Designs. I will have all of their information linked down below. It's always fun when we can come across a new company, so if you haven't checked them out, please do so. And that's gonna do it for today's layout. I'm super excited and honored to be a member of such a wonderful company as the design team. It's just been so fabulous to work with them, and you guys will see that as well. They really do strive to, you know, do some customer relations. Sorry, I get into the groove here and then I'm like, I don't really know what I was going for. Just making sure that I have a little something something on each one. Alright, that is gonna do it. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.